In this video today is to go over our long-ray fogger, which each one of our school sites and our custodians have available to them to help with the sanitizing process. So when using the long-ray fogger, there's a couple things to keep in mind. Make sure the only sanitizing product that we're using is Sani-Q, and you can easily put it in by opening this part, this container here, and this is where you can fill it in from the dispensing station that's each in our custodial rooms, and please use Sani-Q and you can fill it up. Once filled up, you can close it back up. Make sure you always leave it in the off position before you plug it into the wall. That works very nicely with the dial. It's important to try to stay within the 1 to 3 range, so it's a very light mist that's coming out of the fogger. And as you're going around the different areas, make sure you're spraying it above and all the frequently touched surfaces, so the chairs, the tables, and other areas of the school. And so that's really important that it's the lightest mist as possible, and that's usually done between the 1 through 3 setting. Once you turn it on, one of the important practices is to make sure that we're starting at the front of the room and moving backwards, so we're not walking into the chemical. And so that's an important practice, that we're walking behind the fogger and walking behind the mist that's coming on from the spray. And it's a really great product. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. There's also going to be some instructional information that will be on this video that comes from the manufacturer, but please feel free if there's any questions or any issues that you reach out to me and talk about it. Thank you. Here are 3 important emergency protective equipment that need to be used when operating the fogger. We have here our masks that need to be used whenever the fogger is operational, as well as safety glasses, and of course our gloves for protection of our hands. If you have any questions or need any additional supplies, please let me know, and I will work with you with our vendor to make sure you have that.